If you'd like to see more how-to upholstery videos and learn more tips and tricks, click the subscribe button to keep up to date with our latest videos. Click the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up so we can make more content that you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do stitched diamond tufting, diamond pleating, or how we say in the UK, deep buttoning. I fully reupholstered this old armchair. As you can see, the pleats are hand done, they're not sewn in. So when I reupholstered it, I decided to stitch in the pleats instead of folding them in, which I think has come out much nicer and cleaner. We also have a video coming up next week on how I change the style of these arms, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So if you want to see step by step how to do stitched diamond tufting or deep buttoning, keep watching. So I start off taking the old back cushion off and marking where all the pleats meet. So as you can see, I mark it on both sides of the fabric. So as I'm stitching it all back together, I know that they will meet up. And I cut off the old buttons. Take them out, chuck them in a bin. So now I'm using a Stanley knife, unpicking around the seam. How fast I am. Yeah. So now I am unpicking the seams that were sewn in, but the straight lines at the top and at the bottom. So they sewed them in and then they pleated in the buttons. I don't really understand why, but that's how they did it back then. So off camera I have ironed this dead flat so you get a true template. So here I am cutting around the original template and making nips, as you can see with my scissors, where the pen marks are. Afterwards I will mark with a pencil, not with pen, where the old seams were, so I can follow that when I'm stitching. Now I'm marking the top lines and the bottom lines, they will all meet up. Turn it over onto the other side, start marking out where the holes are. This is where the buttons fall, and in a minute I will double check that they're all equal and even, measuring in between them, because obviously this fabric is distorted over 20 years. Now I'm measuring to check that they're all even, so the diamonds all fall correctly. Now I'm marking out the diamonds with a ruler, obviously, and later on I'll do a video of how to mark diamonds properly. Now I'm drawing the lines down from the diamonds to follow the sewing, and at the top as well. So now I'm going to start stitching. As you can see, the line on the pencil is folded. And I stitch down straight, and as I come towards the top of the diamond, I stitch in. So as the button is pulled down with the diamond, it will keep the line straight. And I'll do the bottom line as well. So from the diamond I stitch out and then I come down straight, stitching about half a centimetre away, and obviously it's doing the other side as well, so a centimetre in total. So that's the straight lines. Now to do the diamond lines. So I'm flattening the pencil line. I'll start on the point, come out, and then down straight, and then back in again. And in. And just keep repeating until we've done all the diamonds and all the lines on the template. Right, just getting rid of any loose threads, and you can see the diamonds finished. Turn it over, you can see how it's stitched. And then if we flatten it out, you can see as I come straight and then I curve in towards the points where the buttons are going to pull down, and that curve is to allow for the pull down. Now we're back onto our big template. I just wanted to show you a smaller version just to keep it simple and up close. This is a much larger version. What I'm doing here is just what I've done on that small template, just on a much larger scale. So if you're still awake after all that and still with us, this is how it looks on the other side once it's all stitched. So off camera I've stitched the back onto the front, and here I am looking like I'm wrestling a small crocodile, but I'm actually filling the cushion. There is lots of techniques to do it, but this is my way of doing it. So now the fun begins, putting the buttons on. So using a buttoning needle, I go through, then I loop my twine with the button on the end and pull it through on the other side. On the other side, I do a simple loop, pull the two twines together, loop around both of them and back through the hole. Then I use a bit of leather to stop the knot from pulling through. Once I pull on this knot, it will tighten and pull the button in nice and tight, like so. and repeat the process. And through. Sometimes it takes a bit of work. And onto the back again. Both twines together, loop through and back through the hole. Then it doesn't have to be leather, you can use anything, any bit of fabric that stops the knot from pulling through. And you can basically tighten these up as much as you need, so make sure they're even. You need to make sure these buttons look even. So I'm just doing the rest of the buttons now. I think there's about 16 on these cushions. We'll speed this up. Now we're tying knots off and cutting off the twines, the loose threads. You won't be able to see these because once the cushion's on, it's a fixed back cushion, so you won't see the back of the cushion. They're non-reversible, so you won't see any of this ugliness at the back. Now this is a finished product. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.